Yo, hi guys, welcome back everyone to a new fresh video. And in this video I shall be telling you how you can use your controller to connect with your eFootball mobile, what all the settings you have to turn it on, and which is the controller best you can buy so that you can get and play this eFootball mobile, and also the best settings and all this configuration which you have to do so that you get the best experience with the controller. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. And now without further waste, let's start with the video. So starting the video with the first topic, which is how to connect the controller to your mobile. So first of all, there are three types of controller. The first one is a wired controller which can be connected to your mobile via the wire. The second one is a Bluetooth enabled connect controller which has a Bluetooth option, but it can't be connected with Bluetooth to your Android or iPhone device. The third is a Bluetooth enabled controller which can be connected to your iPhone or iPad or any Android device with the Bluetooth option. So these are three types of controller. And now let's talk about the first type of controller. So for example, you have a controller which is a wired one. So all you have to do is connect the controller's wire with your phone's OTG enabled device, and that way you can use your controller. And now comes the second type of controller, like my controller which I am having. For example, some controllers have the Bluetooth option, but it does not have the support or access to your Android or iPhone or iPad's devices. So for that you have to get yourself an OTG. Like if I show you, I myself, if I try to increase the camera size, I will show you. I myself have got this 3-in-1 OTG cable which has a lightning fast charging cable and the type B and the type C also. And over here you have the dongle connectivity support. So in this way I am connecting my Bluetooth enabled controller which can't be connected to an Android and iOS device via this OTG cable. So you have to search it on Google and OTG cable and connect your dongle of the Bluetooth controller, and that's it. You can use your controller in the game, chat. And now comes the third type of controller. So basically you just now have to go to your Bluetooth settings, turn on the Bluetooth option on your controller and connect it with your device, whether it's iOS or Android, and that's it. You can use your controller in the game, chat. And now I know many people still have this doubt, like how is this OTG connecting, Wolf? So first of all, the people who have the Bluetooth dongle for the controller, you have to get this OTG. I will give this link for OTG in this description also. So all you have to do is order that OTG or this OTG or any OTG. You can get it from your nearby shop. And then guess what? You have to insert it in this type B port. Okay. So connect this dongle, and now if I'm using the iOS, so I'm using this lightning fast cable to insert it on my iOS, and that's it. My controller has been connected to my iPhone. So this is all you have to do. If you're using an Android, use this Android type C or type B, connect it to your Android device and just plug in your dongle to the type B port, and that's it. Your controller will now be connected to your Android or iOS device, chat. And now comes a very common and a basic problem, like Wolf bro, which controller should I buy? Or give us some controller link which can be connected to our Android or iOS or iPad, guys. So don't worry, your brother is here with the best controller in the market, guys. So check this description. I have tagged a controller. So what this controller can do is, this controller can be first of all connected to your PC, your Xbox, your PS, all three places. And not only this, it can be also connected to your iPad, iOS and Android device. So basically it's a 6-in-1 controller. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Okay, and that's not it, guys. It also has a Bluetooth access support to your Android and iOS devices. So you can wirelessly connect your Android or iOS device to this Bluetooth controller. So you have to check the link in the description. The Anti-Sports GP325 is the controller. This is the name. I have tagged it in the products in the description. You can check it out and buy from there. So now I know many people will say, Wolf, I found a different controller with the Bluetooth connectivity option, but it comes for a better price than yours. So why should I buy yours? So I'm gonna be telling you, my controller has a 3 advantage above your controller. So the first one is the warranty, of course, man. Other controllers, they don't come with the warranty, chat. And now the second one is, like, even if they come with warranty, it's not a 1-year warranty, chat. And now lastly, the third one is, like, even if they are coming with a warranty, but the brand is not that good. So if you're trying to go for the service center, many cities wouldn't be having the service center in your location. So this will be an issue. And if they are also having, the feedback from the customer support is not that good, man. So what I will suggest, is to buy this controller from Ant Esports because they have a very good customer staff support. So you can anytime, if you are having a problem with your controller, go and exchange it or return it, chat. So now comes the question, where can you use your controller for eFootball mobile matches? So currently there are only two modes by Konami where you can use your controller. The first one is your AI matches. It includes the AI events, the league events, and the eFootball AI Division League, and lastly your AI training ground, chat. And the second mode now is your friendly matches, where you can also play with the controller. Currently only PvP matches or PvP events are not supported via the controller, chat. So now comes the major issue which everyone is facing. If you have connected a controller like Wolf, I cannot use the controller to play friendly matches. So what you have to do is turn on one setting and you can play the controller in the friendly matches. So all you have to do is first of all create a room. For example, I have created a room, or if your friend has created the room, you just have to go to the settings, match settings. Okay, you have to go to the match settings and then scroll down over here, and at the bottom, if you see, you will see this option for controller commands. Okay, so if I show you by removing my camera, so you can turn the settings on. So you have to just turn it on, and now voila guys, you can use your control in the friendly matches also, chat. And now I know comes a major question like, Wolf, from where can I control the or change the controller settings or configure it? Like, I don't want the pressure button on the A, I want it on the X or whatever. So for the iOS users, all you have to do is open your settings. So for example, if you are an iOS, open the settings, scroll down a bit, go to the section general. Okay, now over here again you have to scroll down and then come to this segment called game controller. Okay, so come over here. Now if you see, my controller is connected. Cosmic Byte Iris is the name of my controller and it's connected already, but you don't have to do anything. This shows your controller is connected. Okay, so you can be ensured like controller is connected. Come to this section, profile, default, and now over here if you see, the haptic feedback is on, but you don't have to do that. The A button, so from here basically you can change the button. For example, the pass is on A button, so you can change it with the different. For example, you want the pass on X, so you can click on the X button and the X button will do the passing command, guys. So this is how basically you can configure the commands if you are an iOS user. And now I know many Android users will also ask, Wolf, how can I do the same in my Android device? So for the Android device, if you have a controller, search for the brand in the App Store, in the Play Store, and if there is an application, only and only from there you can configure the commands. Or maybe if some operating system like Samsung or any other Oppo or any phone, Xiaomi Mi, has its own controller option like iOS, you can do the same thing, chat. And also if you're thinking you can change the controller settings in the game or configure it just like the console, currently there is no controller option in your eFootball mobile. You can't configure or change the buttons or swap or map the key buttons anywhere else. So there is no such way in the game, chat. And now I will show you what all you can do with your controller. So first of all, if you use the controller, click A, B, anything. Like if you're seeing I'm clicking everything, but nothing is working, so it will only work in the game. So currently I'm starting an academy match, so let's go to the academy. So for example, let's go to the dream team, chat, and now I will go to the attacking practice, and now I shall show you you can use this controller to go and do whatever you want. Like you can use it to play basically. So you can see I'm passing currently, I'm giving a through pass, I'm giving a through again. Let's just now give a lofted pass. So you can see, for example, I'm gonna press this A button and you will see my player will pass. Look at this, look at this. Basically controller is connected and you can even do the skills like this. I'm doing everything, man. So now you can see I did a martial turn, everything. So it's very easy, guys. If you're having or facing any problems like, Wolf, what are the commands for passing, shooting, stunning shot, blitz color, how to give a weighted pass, everything, guys, how to pull your keeper outside of the field so that he can clear the ball, all the commands, all the instructions, I shall be making a separate video for that, and you shall be learning all the commands, what all you have to do in this controller so that you can do the commands, the fake shot, the fake pass. Like if I show you the fake shot, look at this, man, everything, man. For example, I have to fake pass, so look at this, man, and look at the speed of fake pass, man. I will teach you everything in a separate video. So for this, the video will be coming tomorrow itself, guys. So all you have to first of all do is press the bell icon of my channel, and if you're already a subscriber and don't receive the notifications, then again receive, go and mute the notifications, and then again change it to all notifications from my channel, and this way you will never miss another video on my channel. So this video for all the commands like pass, shooting, again I'm telling you, will be coming tomorrow in a separate video. I don't want it to include this in the same video because I know it will be confusing for you guys, like what is in this video. So that is gonna be a separate video. In this video I told you everything, how you can connect your controller, how you can configure the commands, which controller is the best for your device, how to enable the controller settings in the friendly matches, everything in this video it was. And for the commands, tomorrow wait for my video and you will learn everything, chat. So that's all for the video, and if you guys still have some doubts, comment down and I shall be replying to each one of you. Yes, you are right. And guys, do hype the video so that it reaches out to more eFootball audience and it helps me also. And guys, do subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out tomorrow's important video regarding this eFootball controller commands in mobile, like how to do all the commands. So that video, as I said, will be releasing tomorrow, so subscribe. And with that, I would say bye bye to all of you. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, adios amigos, bye bye my chicos, and peace out my lads.
पसंद काका, you know what, I don't give a fuck.